Google just released a brand new text-to-speech model, and honestly, it's starting to compete heavily with ElevenLabs. Because once you hear the quality this thing can generate, you might actually rethink paying for expensive AI voice tools. I'm talking about ultra-realistic, highly expressive voices that can sound emotional, natural, and surprisingly human. Now, watch this. This model can change tone, switch emotions, whisper dramatically, speed up with panic, and even handle full conversations naturally. And the craziest part is, Google is giving it away for free. This is the next generation of Gemini text-to-speech, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how to control the voice properly, and how you can use it for your YouTube automation content. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate realistic AI voiceovers, using what might honestly become one of the best free TTS tools available right now. Let's get started. To access this tool, open your Chrome browser and search for Google AI Studio. Click on the first result. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Creating one is completely free. Just sign in with your Google account and you're in. Once you're logged in, this is the dashboard you'll see. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, you'll see two options here, Models and Agents. Go ahead and click on Models. Now, here's something worth knowing before we move forward. Google AI Studio is not just a single AI tool. It's actually a full platform, packed with multiple features inside one place. You can do free AI chat, generate images, build apps, create videos, and even generate music. There's a lot to explore here. But for this video, we're going to focus on one specific feature, and that's the text-to-speech generation. So let's go straight into that. To get started, click on the playground right here. Now you'll see all the available features inside Google AI Studio. Go ahead and click on Music and Speech. This is the main playground for Google's free text-to-speech tool. Now inside here, you'll see three models available. We have Gemini 2.5 Flash, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and the newest one, Gemini Flash 3.1. For text-to-speech, we're going to use Gemini Flash 3.1. This is Google's latest speech model, and honestly, it works very similarly to ElevenLabs v3. It natively generates expressive, natural-sounding audio across 70+ languages and 30+ voices. And the level of control you get over the output is impressive for a free tool. Let me play you a quick demo so you can hear it for yourself.
Good morning. It's 68 degrees and sunny.
Halt, traveler. Welcome back to the show. Today we're diving into the intersection of AI and creative
The old house stood.
That's what we're getting for completely free. Now go ahead and click on Gemini Flash 3.1 to select it. Once selected, you'll see an option to either start from scratch or choose a template. Pick whichever feels comfortable. I'll show you exactly what to do next in either way. I'm going to select this template since it gives us the most control. Take your time here and pick the option that best matches your script style. Now, this is the main dashboard you'll be working in. And before we start generating, let me walk you through the key controls here, because this part is important. First, you'll notice you can add a scene, context, and tags. Tags are actually one of the most powerful features in this new model. They give you direct control over how the voice sounds, the tone, the emotion, the delivery. Most people skip this step, but don't skip it. Now at the top, you'll see two options, text and composer. Here's the difference. Text is for long-form content. You paste your entire script in one go, and it generates the full audio at once. Composer is for dialogue-style scripts, like conversations or podcasts. You add the script line by line, and it handles each part separately. Knowing which one to use makes a big difference in your results. Now here's something I want to address quickly, because I see this in the comments a lot. A lot of people are saying Google has ruined this tool and the quality has dropped. But that's not really what's happened. They've actually upgraded how it works. The controls are more advanced now. You just need to know how to use them properly. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. All right, let's run our first test. Now I've prepared a set of test scripts specifically for this demo. We have a storytelling script, a podcast script, an ad script, character voice design, and a few more. And I want to test all of them so you can see exactly how this model handles different types of content. Now before we start, here's something important I want you to pay attention to. The scripts themselves are not the main thing here. What really matters is the scene instruction and the context instruction. These two things directly shape how your voice sounds. Get them right and your audio will feel completely natural. Skip them and your results will feel flat. It all depends on what type of content you're creating, and I'll show you exactly what to add for each one. All right, let's start with the storytelling script. First, copy the scene text and paste it right here. Then copy the sample context and paste it into this field. And finally, copy your full script and paste it into this box right here. Simple as that. Now, let's see what happens. Now, to select your narrator, click on Voice Settings right here. You'll see that Google AI Studio gives you a solid range of voices, each with its own style and personality. Take a moment and test a few of them.
What idea do you want to bring to life?
What sparks your interest?
What's a skill you'd like to develop? Ready to make something amazing?
Do you hear that? Each one has a completely different feel. Pick the one that best matches your content style. For this storytelling script, I'm going with Lita. Now here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a basic voice picker. You can also control the style, pace, and accent of your narrator. These are some of the accents available right now. And for this test, I'm going to keep it on neutral. Once you've set everything up, just hit Run, and it will generate a full, expressive voiceover for you, with real emotion built in. Let's see what we get. All right, our voice is ready. Let's take a listen.
One sunny afternoon in a busy meadow, a clever fox laughed at a tiny ant carrying food across the ground. The fox proudly claimed that small creatures could never accomplish anything important because they were too weak and too slow. The ant replied quietly, saying that hard work and patience can achieve great things over time. Curious animals from nearby fields gathered around, interested to see what would happen next. The fox decided to challenge the ant, boasting that he could gather more food in a single hour than the ant could in an entire day.
Now listen to this same script, but this time without the inline tags.
One sunny afternoon in a busy meadow, a clever fox laughed at a tiny ant carrying food across the ground. The fox proudly claimed that small creatures could never accomplish anything important because they were too weak and too slow.
Did you catch that difference? That's exactly why the tags matter. Same script, same voice, completely different delivery. Keep that in mind as you build your own content. Now let's test something completely different. This time we're going with a meditation script. Different content type, different vibe, different tone, different pace. So let's set it up properly. Add your script, add the scene, and add the context. And this time, choose a softer voice. I'm going with this voice now. Also, don't forget to set the pace and accent to natural. It makes a real difference for this type of content. Now hit generate, and let's see what we get.
Slowly breathe in through your nose and gently release the breath. Allow your body to settle comfortably and feel any heaviness slowly melt away. Take another long, deep breath. Notice the cool air entering your lungs and softly exhale.
Hear that? Calm, smooth, and completely on tone. That's the thing about this model. It doesn't just read your script. It actually adapts to the type of content you're creating. All right, now let's really push this thing. This time I'm giving it something a lot harder, by giving it a song. Text-to-speech tools usually struggle with pronouncing songs. Because songs have rhythm, melody, and emotion all at once, that's a tough ask for any TTS model. But let's see what Gemini Flash 3.1 does with it. Copy the song script and paste it in here. Add your scene and context as usual. Then pick a voice that feels right for the style of the song, and hit run.
Neon shadows fill the streets, heartbeat moving with the beat. Day by day, I'm growing strong, riding where my soul belongs. Oh, oh, we stand so tall after every rise and fall.
Okay, that's genuinely impressive. It didn't just read the lyrics, it actually delivered them with rhythm and feeling. For a free text-to-speech model, that's not something you see every day. So far, storytelling, meditation, and now a song. This tool is handling everything we're throwing at it. Let's keep going. All right, one more test. And this one is interesting, a funny joke script. Comedy is actually one of the hardest things for TTS to handle because it needs timing, emotion, and natural delivery all at once. Let's see how Gemini Flash handles it. Paste your script in here. Add your scene and context. Pick a voice that fits the tone, and hit run. Now, while that's generating, I'm going to do something useful. I'm going to run the exact same script through ElevenLabs at the same time. Same script, same voice style, 2 different tools, so you can hear the difference for yourself. All right, our Google AI Studio result is ready. Let's play it first.
I bought one of those smart alarm clocks yesterday. Now, every morning at 6 a.m., it starts ringing like it personally hates me. This morning, I hit snooze 5 times. And I swear the alarm clock said, seriously, we talked about this. So naturally, I turned the alarm off, closed my eyes for 1 minute, and woke up 2 hours later.
Notice the delivery there, the timing, the emotion, the natural rhythm. Now let's hear what ElevenLabs gives us with the same script.
I bought one of those smart alarm clocks yesterday. Now every morning at 6 a.m., it starts ringing like it personally hates me. This morning, I hit snooze 5 times.
You can hear the difference clearly. ElevenLabs read the script. Google AI Studio performed it. The emotional tone, the natural pauses, the comedic timing, that's not something you expect from a free tool. And that's exactly what makes this worth paying attention to. Now here's something I want to show you, because this is where it gets really practical. Take a look at this channel. This is a Learn English podcast channel. Simple concept, just audio-based podcast content. And channels like this are quietly doing really well because the RPM in this niche is genuinely high. The best part? You can start something like this using exactly what I just showed you, completely free. Here's how the workflow looks. First, come to ChatGPT. I've put together a specific prompt for generating podcast broadcast scripts. If you want it, just drop a comment below and I'll share it with you. Paste the prompt in and hit generate. ChatGPT will give you a list of topic ideas to choose from. Pick the one you want, paste it back in, and send it. In a few seconds, you'll have a complete, ready-to-use podcast script. Now copy that script and head back to Google AI Studio. This time, go back to the start and select the co-host podcast style template. Now pay close attention here, because this part matters. We need multi-speaker audio this time. Select this option and make sure you're on text mode. Since our script is long, this will give you the cleanest result in one single generation. Now before you paste your script, there's one thing you must do. Your script needs speaker labels. Every single line of dialogue needs to start with either speaker 1 or speaker 2. Like this. Exactly like this. If you skip this step, the model won't know who's talking, and your results will be off. You'll also burn off your daily tokens for nothing. Once your script is properly labeled, paste it in. Choose 2 narrators. Adjust the style, pace, and accent to match your podcast vibe. Then hit generate. This one will take a little longer because of the script length, so just take your time and let it run. All right, our podcast audio is ready. Let's hear it.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast.
Today, we're talking about something many English learners experience, feeling nervous when speaking English.
Yes, and if you've ever felt your mind go blank during a conversation, you are definitely not alone.
Sometimes you know the words in your head, but the moment you start speaking, suddenly everything disappears.
Exactly. Your heart beats faster, you start overthinking, and you worry
Just
about...
listen to that. 2 voices, natural conversation, very smooth and clear voice. It genuinely sounds like 2 real people having a discussion, not a text-to-speech tool reading a script. And we built that entire thing for free. Now look, this is just a handful of the examples I tested today. Storytelling, meditation, a song, comedy, and now a full podcast. This tool handled all of it. And the best part? You can use it like this almost every single day. It does have daily token limits, but if you ever hit that cap, just create a new Gmail account and pick up right where you left off. Now before I go, if you want a full breakdown of the podcast niche I showed you earlier, just drop a comment below. I'll put together a complete session on how to start a channel like that from scratch. It's one of those niches that genuinely work very well on YouTube. So, what do you think? Is Google AI Studio better than ElevenLabs for this kind of work? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you have any questions about anything we covered today, just ask. I'm always reading. If this video helped you, a like and subscribe genuinely helps this channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.